Hi everybody, welcome back to the room. This is Ed Ponsi from edponsi.com for the stock mentoring class. Very exciting market out there today. Lots of action, lots of activity, and what a day. What a happy day it is. I'm looking at Best Buy here. We spoke about this one on Tuesday, right, 2 days ago. The blaster comes through again. We had laid this out as pulling back. First of all, very nice uptrend. We had the pullback on light volume. It made the blaster screen because of its the fact that it was above the 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages. Had the correct beta. It was between 5 and 10% off of its high, right? So that's why we look for that, because we're looking for that little pullback, right? We're looking for the pullback from the highs. That's what makes it an exciting trade. And you can see what happens next. Now, we talked about this on Tuesday. So first of all, congratulations. I hope you made a lot of money on this one. Now, hopefully you made enough money on this one to pay for the course. If you caught this one last month, I know we have a lot of students who weren't here last month, but if you caught this blast off from the blaster last month on Cabela's, that was enough to pay for the course if you just had 100 shares of that one. In this case, BBY, right, if you had 300 shares of this one, that would be enough to pay for the course or close to it. But hey, it's a lower stock price, right? So really, percentage-wise, it's a very nice move. Okay, on BBY. Fantastic move, actually. Now, we talked about several different stocks from the blaster screen on Tuesday. BBY was one of them. That one went up. CRL, Charles River Labs, went down. Oh, no. Big sell-off, big volume, gaps down, right? So what's the situation here? How does this play out? Well, let me take you back to Tuesday, right? Make Tuesday the hard right edge of the chart. So from the look of it, right, BBY, it looks like BBY, you made money. You made really good money on BBY. But on Charles River, it appears that we lost money, correct? Well, don't answer just yet. Think about it, right? Think about the entry for the blaster screen, right? Is it not true that what we do, right? So on Tuesday, when we looked at this, after the close on Tuesday, what happens? What do? We calculate the entry. The entry is above the high. What's the high point? 44.28. You take 44.28, right? You multiply it by 1.005, and you put it up there. Your entry is going to be a little bit above the previous day's high, so your entry is going to be up here. Do we have an entry on the next day? No, you have to go above that high to get in. So we want to buy as we've got the stock is pulling back. It's pulling back on light volume. Everything seems fine. And then if it turns and goes up, it's going to catch your entry point. When something like this happens, well, fortunately, there's no entry.